Lo siento, por favor, señora. Could you please speak slowly? Meaners, where are you from?
We're here in Alegria.
Wow.
Alegria. So, this place is Alegria.
Yes.
Si, señora, gracias. Now, it's already night time. I'm looking for a hotel.
Hotel.
Si, señora. Where could I stay? So, hello guys. Good evening again. Chismusong Bisaya right here. So, nata karon diri sa Alegria Park kay mangita tagma prank. So, hopefully natin makitaan karon guys. So, bani ko ninyo kay malingaw na sad mo ni na atong content karon. So, mo ni siya guys ang Alegria Park. So, let's go. Disculpa, señora. Buenas noches. You habla español?
Oh no!
No habla español, but you entiende?
A little bit.
A little bit Spanish. You speak Spanish, señora? Oh, no habla español. What about you, señora? You don't understand. But you speak English?
Yes, a little
Okay. Me also, I speak English very small.
very small.
Yes, it's my second time here traveling around talking to random strangers. Where are you from?
We're here in Alegria.
Alegria. So this place is Alegria.
Yes.
Si, señora, gracias. So both of you grown up here?
Yes.
Yes. You friends or not?
No, we're cousins.
Wow.
Your cousins? Si, señora. So now I'm talking to a random stranger. I would like to ask if, because now it's already night time, I'm looking for a hotel.
Hotel.
Si, señora, where could I stay?
Oh, there's actually it's I think it's I think it's I think it's not hotels, but it is resort or apartels.
Apartel.
Lucy, apartel. Costa de Leticia with the pool. But
But how to go there? Just walk.
you can walk if you want.
Because
But there are actually tricycles.
tricycles.
10 peso? Yes. 10 peso ang kuan.
Very near. No need to walk. Just ride.
No need to ride.
I can walk. Okay. Because I try to book Grab taxi here, but I don't see in the map. There's no Grab taxi.
There's no Grab taxi or ang cashier.
I see. Gracious. I keep on waiting. Screening. Only searching for ride.
Ano na lang ka na?
Possible? Do
Yeah.
like that? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Manghits? Manghits ba?
You mean I ride for free?
Yes.
Gracias, señora. So that's one is possible here.
Yes.
So
Hits.
the two of you are pure Filipino.
Yes. Very, very pure.
Because, ma'am, the other, what's your name, ma'am?
Very pretty, no?
Yeah. You're Sheila. You look like a Chinese.
Okay, tagal kitang
So
hinanap.
now I just walk or have free rides going to the hotel. What's the name again of the hotel?
Costa de Leticia.
Acosta de
No, Costa de Leticia.
Costa de Leticia. I'm sorry for my English because
It's okay. Spanish?
so now I will just book there, then maybe next time around I will just visit her again. So it's good to see you. So
Yeah, and we'll hope to see you again
yeah,
soon.
thank you so much for your time, ma'am. So now I need to go ride some, then dool ra siya or layo gamay.
Kamatay. Aha, kabaw din sa iyo. Aha, kabaw din sa iyo.
Ay layo ra gamay. Dool. Dool ra siya.
Ang uwan ako mag-stress. In English.
Malakaw ra siya or dool ra. Taga dire ra gid mo?
Oh, there naman sa
Sige, di pangalan nimo, ma'am?
Sheila.
Sheila, ikaw, ma'am?
Sir, manusbrid ba na ka? Ang English ba kayo magamit tanan?
Dito mo may ka mo English, ma'am. Sa di working mo, ma'am?
Call center.
Call center, mo di ay. Apit mo sa manusbrid nimo, ma'am.
Na-stress ko.
Magkabuang ito.
Hi guys, so shout out ko sa karon pa dito pinakauling energy, but shout out ko sa among mga uncle na ready na muli diri karong 24 at we're very, very excited. Shout out ko sa kong husband, Alvin. Shout out ko sa Petrova family. Hi Michelle and Darlene. sa daghana ra ba sir? 20 ka buok. Uncle Elias, Kuya Raymond, Uncle Toto, Ate Vera, Ate Maribet, Uncle Junior, Ate Jinjin, nagana. And unsa pa man ha? And to all the people in the world. Bye!
Ikaw ma'am, wala kayo shout out ma'am? Wala ra. Yung mga friends ma'am, yung family.
Like lang. Shout out ko sa akong mga sa teachers nako sa St. Francis sa una. Sir Lisa, Sir Richard, Sir Jessa, Sir Grisha, and uban pod. And to my family. Cariagas family.
Cariagas family.
Gaspace family. Hi guys! Follow and share Chismosong Bisaya 1592. Bye!